Hello and welcome back. In this episode today, Daniel wears a hat, Doug takes a nap, Paul kidnaps Ellis, and I look confused. Cool, that looks exciting, doesn't it? So this week we have a Mark 7 Jag in. When you look around the car, you'll see it's not quite a standard one. The client has modified it from a 4-door hardtop to a 2-door convertible. So he's extended those doors and extended the rear quarters, chopped the roof off and had a custom roof made. So it is definitely right up our street. So the first stage we do on vehicles like this is a gaps check. So we get all the panels fitted to the car, assess if any of the panel gaps need filing down or anything added to them to get those gaps consistent. So let's get started. So the filler levelling is now all complete, so we're going through the first paint process. The car wasn't epoxied when it came to us and had some of the filler work done already, so we're going to put a isolated epoxy primer over from Novel. Then we're going to let that have a little flash off, and then we're going over with our polyester primer. So again, polyester is so important when doing these big jobs because it helps level off all that filler work you've just been doing and gives you a nice base to block down ready for its final prime. So let's go get it done! booth ready for its final prime. The stages we've gone through before that are blocking it with 120 grit. We then finish it in a 320 ready for its final prime. This means you can cut it back, get those panels nice and flat. So we're going to go around, put another isolator epoxy primer on it from Novel, and then get it to its high build primer stages ready for its final prep for paint.
So let's go get it done.
classic car range. This is a premium CSR clear coat. So yeah, we've done 3 coats over it. We're going to go through the flattening polishing process of it now, but have a little look round because it does look truly stunning. So with the Jaguar painted now, we're going to go through the flattening polishing process. With these restorations that we do, we think this is one of the most important stages for it. So the first stage we're going to go through on the flat surfaces, we're going to block with 1000 grit, again using the 3M flexible sheets. We then go on to the 1200 by DA. We use the endorsed ones. The film discs, they are a bit cheaper than the 3M ones, just as good. We're then going on to 2000 with the 3M blue foam discs, and of course finishing off with Trizac 3000 by 3M. Best dish you can get for it probably. So we're going to get set up and get that started right now. Right, so that's the Jag now, all complete with us. We've gone through the flattening polishing stage to the shell and all the panels. The car's going back disassembled, so the client can then refit it back to the chassis and then get the engine fitted as well as all the panels. It will then come back to us fully assembled for its final polish. We can hopefully get some footage of it then because we're dying to see what it looks like all back together. So that's it for this episode. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. We're going to give it a isolated. Sit. Just should me talking with the dog, so. No, I'm scared of the camera. Dad. Right, so that's the Jag now, all complete with us. We've gone through the. I've got.
He's in charge.
I know. Right, we'll do that again. Filing down or. No, okay, yeah, I remember.